Here we will write a Python program to print sum of first n natural numbers using parameterized constructor. So first we'll open the IDE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll define class and we'll define constructor with init method with one parameter, and we will store these values to constructor variable. Then we will define method. Here we will define two variables, I which is initialized with 1 and total which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to self.num1, and we will add this I into total. So total equal to total plus I, and we will increment the I. Then after completing while loop, we will print the total as print sum of first n natural numbers as total. Then we will accept nth term from the user. So n equal to int input, enter nth term. Then we will create object of our class addition, and we will pass n as a parameter, and we will call the method print total from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask n term. I will enter 5. It will print sum of first n natural number as 15.